And by the way, this is my automatic transmission shift knob conversion. This is a E90 style shift knob that has been installed on this E46. This is all Alcantara, and the top is not silver anymore, it's leather, black leather, and that's what it looks like. I believe this part, the boot, is a ZHP original Alcantara. I think it is. I need to double check. I think this looks really nice, and I need to take care now of take care of the shifter boot, this part, and I guess repaint this or redo it into, well, I guess it should go back to being like black color. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it's pretty cool in my opinion. I like it, even though this is not the correct generation style shift knob, but I think it's not bad at all.